Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Character AI not loading on your phone. First of all you have to do, if the Character AI app is not working on your phone or it's not loading on your phone, you can long press on the application. From here you have to go to the app info. From here you have to scroll down a bit and click on storage and cache. You have to clear the cache and check if the app is working or not. If the app is still not working and not loading, you can go back to the app info. First we have cleared the cache, and this time you can clear the storage of your application. Once you have done clearing the storage, your account will be logged out from Character AI. You can once again try to log into your Character AI account. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is uninstall the Character AI app from your phone, and once again go to your Google Play Store and type in Character AI and search for the Character AI app once again, and you have to reinstall it after deleting or uninstalling the application. Once you reinstall the app, try login with your account. Hopefully your problem will be fixed and your Character AI will start to load on your phone. And that's how to fix Character AI not loading on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.